What's up, guys? I announced the My YFL Story Challenge on 7th of June during my first ever YouTube live cooking session. And I was supposed to announce the winners on my birthday, which was 16th of June. But I could not announce the winners on that day because as soon as I announced the challenge, the entries started to come in, and we were overwhelmed by the number of entries which came in just 1 week. It was practically impossible for me or my team to watch all of these videos, and we decided that all of these videos are going to be watched by me personally. And it took some while. It took us more than 2.5 weeks. And if you're wondering what my birthday week and the past 2 weeks have looked like watching these videos, just watch this.
My name is Tarunya. I am living in Pondicherry.
मैं कोलकाता में रहता हूँ.
I live in Thane.
मैं गुजरात बड़ोदरा की रहने वाली हूँ।
From Maharashtra, Pune.
From Ahmedabad, Gujarat.
From Nagpur.
From Bangalore.
I'm from Mumbai.
I'm from Chennai.
From Jaipur।
From Tamil Nadu.
Amchi Mumbai।
From Ahmedabad.
From Jaipur.
From Gujarat.
From Mumbai।
Ireland.
All the way from Varanasi.
From Pune.
From Raipur.
From Jakarta.
So I'm a pure vegetarian and I've never made non-veg before, never had non-veg before, and I had no clue how to do it. Butter chicken, what I made today, my husband says is the best butter chicken he's eaten till now. So thank you so much for this. It's a great compliment to me because I still don't know how it tastes. What I did was I just removed some gravy and put paneer in it. So I'm also happy, he's also happy.
I always wanted to pursue hotel management, but my parents and people around me always tried to convince me not to do it. But after watching your videos, Never Kill Your Stupid Ideas, I'm damn sure that I'm going to pursue it and I will do what I wanted to do.
My parents were always worried about my cooking skills as I had never cooked before. It was only after I got married that I came across Your Food Lab channel and I started making recipes. And I have made chili garlic naan, red chili mini, dal tadka and jeera rice.
योर फूड लैब से मैंने बनाया है पालक पनीर की सब्जी, क्योंकि योर फूड लैब एंड संजोत कीर सर का मेरी लाइफ में बहुत ही बड़ा योगदान है। जैसे गुरु द्रोणाचार्य और एकलव्य का रिश्ता था, वैसे ही मेरा और संजोत कीर सर का रिश्ता है। बहुत सारी चीजें सीखा हूँ। मेरी जो कंटेंट क्रिएटर की जो मेरी लाइफ स्टार्ट हुई है, वो भी मैं उनको ही डेडिकेट करता हूँ। थैंक यू सो मच सर कि आपने मुझे इतना इंस्पायर किया और आप मेरे गुरु समान हो। थैंक यू सो मच।
Then she came across a channel, Your Food Lab. And then the miracle happened. She stepped into the kitchen and cooked amazing dishes. Once again, YFL came to her rescue, inspired her not to give up no matter how stupid idea sounds to others.
Amongst all those aspiring chefs who just want to take that one step ahead.
But the day when I saw a video of Never Kill Your Stupid Idea on YFL, it has motivated me so much that I have decided to convert my passion into my career along with my CA.
जब लॉकडाउन में मम्मी, वाइफ, भाभी, चाची ये सब ज़्यादा बिजी होते थे तो अच्छा नहीं लगता था। तो एक दिन सोचा लेट्स ट्राई समथिंग। तो उस दिन मैंने बनाई पनीर मखनी बिरयानी, जो मेरे दादाजी से लेके मेरी बेटी तक को पसंद आई, और सेम डिश मैंने 3 से 4 बार बना दी लॉकडाउन में। थैंक यू योर फूड लैब फॉर मेकिंग कुकिंग सो ईजी एंड इंटरेस्टिंग।
I really want to thank Sir Sanjot Ki, my guru, my mentor, for putting up this contest and for making me put my fingers into words of how incredibly important YFL is to me, because it has made me realize that I should never ever kill my stupid idea and put what all I have to fulfill my dreams.
तो मुझे बहुत रेयरली चांस मिलता है चाइनीज़ खाने के लिए, एंड मैं कभी घर पे नहीं बनाया है बिकॉज आई थिंक चाइनीज़ घर पे उतना अच्छा रेस्टोरेंट स्टाइल नहीं बनता है, बट बिकॉज ऑफ योर लाइव वीडियोज ऑन द वेज हाका नूडल्स एंड ऑल्सो द अर्लियर लाइव वीडियो फॉर योर फैमिली मेन्यू को रियली एनकरेज्ड मी टू ट्राई चाइनीज़ फूड एट होम, एंड टू माई अमेजमेंट इट रियली केम आउट रियली वेल। मैंने कभी इतना अच्छा चाइनीज़ और आई वुड से द नूडल्स मैंने इतना अच्छा कभी नहीं खाया है घर का बना हुआ, एंड आई एम हैप्पी दैट आई मेड इट।
And today I have taken the My YFL Story Challenge. Today I tried mini vada pav bites, as you can see here. From your page, it turned out to be so amazing.
This is my entry for the YFL challenge. And what we've made today is the Tari Wale Aloo from the YouTube channel.
It's been lockdown. I have not been to my place daily. It's been 2.5 months, and my dad is very fond of my dal tadka, and today I have made dal tadka, and that dal tadka is dedicated to him. My dad usually says to my mom that तेरे पुत्र वर्गी दाल तड़का कोई नहीं बना सकता, and my mother would disown me someday for this. So thanks to Chef Sanjot Ki for giving such a good recipe, and so that I could make dal tadka, and which is being loved by my dad so much.
Your mom must be so proud of you. You exactly know what today's generation likes, and you create your delicacies with new, innovative and easy to follow techniques.
I have been cooking from a long time now, but I was never so confident about my cooking skills. But after watching your video Never Kill Your Stupid Idea, I got so inspired that I even started my own food.
आपकी रेसिपी में सर ऐसा होता है कि ये चीज़ और ये चीज़ को मिला के कुछ नया ही बन जाता है, और ये डिश भी बन सकती है इस चीज़ से, ऐसा लगता है।
आज जब ये कॉन्टेस्ट अनाउंस हुआ तो मैंने ठान लिया था कि मुझे इस कॉन्टेस्ट में पार्टिसिपेट करना है, तो मैंने बनाया मलाई कोफ्ता।
और हॉस्टल में तो आपको पता ही है कि घर की खाने की बहुत याद आती है, एंड इट वॉज लाइक लाइफ सेवर फॉर अस। You created a platform from where we could see, learn and make our dishes whatever we are craving for. Thank you so much, and you inspired people like me a lot.
हम सब घर पे योर फूड लैब की रेसिपीज फॉलो करते हैं एंड खा के इंजॉय करते हैं, सो आप ऐसे ही रेसिपी बनाते रहें और हमें खुश करते रहें। थैंक यू शेफ।
थैंक यू।
वी लव यू।
Thank you so much. Because of you, I have learned cooking, and because of you, I have learned how to clean the table, how to maintain cleanliness while cooking.
So I made prawns tawa masala today, and it turned out to be really, really good. I'm quite passionate about cooking, but nobody really inspired me as you did.
This challenge of yours has been a very interesting one, but a difficult one also, because I had to choose from so many of the recipes which are really close to my heart. I think your channel has been a boon to my cooking journey, because even my family members, they feel that what is the secret behind my new dishes. Yes, obviously you are the secret behind that. So I really, really, really thank you for this.
My day starts with watching your recipes on YouTube. My whole YouTube homepage is full of your recipes.
Participated YFL contest. I have made paneer lababdar. It is one of my favorite recipes, closest to my heart, and on the top of the list when it comes to inviting people for lunch or dinner.
When we were kids, my brother and me, my father used to make it for us, and now he's old. He does not have that energy to get into kitchen. So this time I made it for him, and with your help I made it for him, and this recipe of yours brought a very big smile on his face and brought a really beautiful memories back.
Cooking isn't just cooking, it is learning and improving yourself every single day. So much of love to YFL and so much of respect.
एक बार क्या हुआ था, घर पे बोरिंग खाना बना था, तो मैंने कहा चलो मैं मसाला पनीर बना रहा हूँ। मैं अपने बना के आ गया, हॉट डॉग्स नहीं थे तो मैंने रोटी के साथ खा लिए। तो पापा कहते देना छोड़ो देना, मेरे को भी दे दे। तो ऐसे ही होता है हमारे घर में, सबको इतनी पसंद है डिश, चाहे हॉट डॉग नहीं बोला तो भी हम बना के खा लेते हैं।
That the way that you make it so simple and easy, and the music behind it is so soothing that it really makes me to try that recipe.
I'm fond of cooking and my brother is fond of eating. So I cook and we eat. I would like to thank YFL, your food lab, and
Chef Sanjot for uploading amazing recipes and bringing me and my brother together.
I'll tell you my YFL story. So during my school days, my mom never let me go inside the kitchen. She'll always say me, you go study, that's enough for now. And I never got an opportunity to cook during my school days. So this quarantine and this lockdown has given me a big opportunity that daily I go into the kitchen and cook many recipes. And you are my biggest inspiration, chef. Thank you so much. Whatever videos, whatever recipes you post in your food lab is so much appealing, and I love making all those recipes.
Last month it was Mother's Day and my mother's birthday as well. During the lockdown it was really difficult for us to get anything and make her birthday special. So I tried the no bake lockdown cake and it came out really well.
तो योर फूड लैब और आपको मैं इसलिए फॉलो करती हूँ क्योंकि मुझे आपको यूनिक कुकिंग, वीडियोग्राफी और प्रेजेंटेशन स्टाइल बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
You really are a very great inspiration to me because you followed the voice of your heart, explored your passion and became a chef. It inspires me to do the same.
So from being a novice in cooking who doesn't know ABC of cooking to a perfectionist now, this journey is possible only because of you, chef, only because of your food lab. So I'm really thankful to you.
My YFL story is inspired from your video, Never Kill Your Stupid Idea.
Your recipe helps me to cheer up when I'm feeling low and helps me to keep happy. So thank you so much, chef.
Today I made 16 layers of mango crab cake. It was for the maid working in our house. She don't know what is birthday, how to celebrate. Thank you, Chef Sanjot, for giving us some beautiful ideas and amazing recipes.
Back in my home country, I never used to cook, and when I came here, I never knew cooking. So by watching and especially your Food Lab channel, I understood that anyone can cook. Food cooking gives me peace and it brings the happiness.
One important thing that I've learned from YFL is making my content look appealing, attractive, at the same time keeping it quite simple so that it is relatable to whosoever comes across it.
My story about this is me and my friend are cooking together. No, we're not in the same kitchen. My friend is in Mumbai and I'm in Bangalore, and we've prepared the same dish tonight, same day, same time, and it's turned out so yum.
This is chili cheese paratha, which my daughter likes the most. He eats this very easily. I just love this one, and it's very easy to make. And most important, I'm a big fan of you, Chef Sanjot Keer, and seriously I admire you the most. Thank you so much.
My YFL story is like I work in a software industry, so everyone feel it's like I'll not be able to cook food. Yeah, everyone was saying me like, what do you do? You even don't know how to cook even the normal recipes. So I have tried your recipes, especially in this lockdown, and I tried recipes on every weekend, and now everyone is shocked, literally shocked, especially my father, that I can cook so yummy food, and this is because of you.
Like, I was so excited when I heard the contest, at least that I can reach out to my role model. And yeah, thanks for giving us a chance to do so.
It's like it was my father-in-law's wedding anniversary on 8th of May. He himself is a very good cook, and उनको easily किसी का non-veg to be honest नहीं पसंद आता है. So I was running out of ideas. इतने में I came across your YouTube that tari wala chicken. I tried that and he loved it. I can't even express in words. इतना खुश हुआ, इतने blessings दिए, and his words were, स्नेहा तू जिसको भी follow कर रही है इसका सब recipes try करके मुझे खिला, and मैंने half से ज़्यादा तुम्हारा non-veg recipes try किए. All turned out very delicious. Thank you so much.
I'm really grateful that you did not kill your stupid idea, because it really is making a difference in our viewers community. Your channel, your videos really serves the purpose. Just keep it this way. Keep making these innovative and so delicious recipes.
I just wanted to say hats off to all your videos and the time you invest in making them, from the presentation to the aesthetic background. Thank you so much for all these creative dishes.
And I hope that this journey of amazing recipes from your lab to our kitchens always goes on.
This channel has really turned out to be a boon for beginners like us. I'm really thankful to Sanjot Keer sir for giving me an identity of a great cook that I have never ever imagined. Thank you.
And through your recipes, you've inspired me that I can cook.
and I can also be successful. Thank you.
I just wish that our YFL family increases from million to millions and billions.
So this just gave happiness, and I just hope that you keep creating recipes like this and videos like this and just spread happiness across the globe. Happy birthday. Thank you.
Thanks for being my inspiration in my journey.
And thanks to Sanjot Kir for bringing up this challenge. I think this has brought some motivation in me, and that chef came out of me.
Thank you so much for all your recipes.
So thank you to my lively chef Sanjot Kir and the favorite food channel Your Food Lab.
Have inspired us a lot. Your recipes means a lot. Thank you for inspiring us. Thanks a lot.
I would like to thank Your Food Lab for conducting such a contest that we can express our emotions through the food.
थैंक यू फॉर मेकिंग माई फैमिली डिनर टुगेदर, क्योंकि जब से मैंने दाल खिचड़ी बनाई है तब से मेरे फैमिली मेम्बर्स क्यूरियस होते हैं कि मैं आज क्या डिनर के लिए बनाऊंगी.
Thank you for inspiring me to cook and giving such a beautiful recipes.
Wish you many happy returns of the day.
Keep inspiring us. Wish you a huge success, and I hope it all adds to more.
Thank you and wish you many happy returns of the day.
I was, am and will be fan of YFL forever. Thank you and bye bye.
Thank you Your Food Lab and Chef Sanjot.
And keep the good recipes coming. Thank you.
And this motivational video named Never Kill Your Stupid Idea have inspired me a lot, and I have lots of love and respect for you. Thank you, Chef, for this amazing recipe. Because of you, I will never kill my stupid idea. Thank you, YFL, for inspiring me to create my own YouTube channel. Thank you.
And keep cooking, and I'll also cook for my family and keep making them try your dishes. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for making my life so delicious. Happy birthday, sir.
So you make the recipes so easy for us. Thank you so much.
I'm speechless. I'm so emotional. My last 2-3 weeks have been so emotional. It was my birthday week, and what a better way to celebrate my birthday by actually watching all of your lovely videos. Your videos have come in huge numbers. I was not expecting such a big turnout. And I've watched each and every video that you have sent me. I assure you. There have been so many stories which have come in. When I started Your Food Lab almost 4 years ago, I had just thought that I want to share my recipes, I want to share what I do in my kitchen with you guys. I never thought Your Food Lab videos, just food recipe videos, being made in one small corner of this world, will actually impact you guys in so many different ways. Through this challenge, through the My YFL Story Challenge, I have got to know what you feel about Your Food Lab. And I am overwhelmed, I am emotional, and I feel so happy to have you as my extended family. When Your Food Lab completed 3 years, I made a video called Never Kill Your Stupid Idea. And that was just a random thought. We spent like about 6-7 days to make that video. My family was asking me, why are you spending so much time making a video which is not a recipe video? But we as a team wanted to make it, and I am seeing that it's more than a year past when I uploaded that video, and still in my recipe comments I receive messages saying that I watched your Never Kill Your Stupid Idea video and it inspires me. I'm so happy that one video has impacted you, has inspired you to do many more things in your life. Through this challenge, I have also got to know many stories which are related to Never Kill Your Stupid Idea, and I am really blessed that I can inspire you in the smallest ways possible. Talking about this challenge, it took a lot of while. It took me about almost 3 weeks to watch these videos. I watched all the videos, and all of your videos are true winners. I cannot say that by announcing the winners today, anyone has lost or anyone has won. You all are winners, and I feel I am the most blessed person to have you as followers, as viewers, as my extended family, guys. I know that there are going to be a number of winners which I'll be announcing today, but don't be disheartened if you are not in that small number. There are so many stories which came across. The age group of people entering this challenge has been vast. I saw a video of a 6-year-old boy cooking the no-bake cake, and then there was a senior citizen talking about how YFL recipes make their lives easier. I am so overwhelmed seeing that how different people around the world of different age groups connect to YFL in different ways. There have been stories of families coming together, cooking together. There have been stories where daughters or sons have cooked for their parents, friends cooking together in different cities, reliving recipes which they have had while traveling to different parts of the world. There have been stories of a friend cooking for a friend who is suffering from the coronavirus pandemic. There have been so many touching stories. I have seen people making gifts for me, drawing portraits, writing long letters, writing down so many captions in the email entries on Instagram. Huge captions. I have read them all. And whenever I have read each caption, each letter, or I have seen each portrait, I have been really emotional, guys. I feel that I could not have done this for anyone whom I have never met. And this makes me realize what kind of responsibility I have towards making content for all of you. Thank you so much for taking part in this challenge. Thank you for inspiring me with your stories. Thank you for including my recipes in your restaurant menus. Thank you for starting businesses. Thank you for believing in yourself by watching my content. It means a lot to me, guys. Keep sending in the love in the form of comments, messages, write me emails. I love to read these. And I'm sorry if I don't reply. I'm sorry if I don't choose you today in the winners list. I still love you and you mean the most to me, guys. And yes, finally we have decided who all have won the challenge. So if you have won, you will receive an email or an Instagram DM. So keep an eye on that. Also, it was very difficult to contain the winners in the 61 winners group. So I've increased it a little bit. First I was going to do a Zoom call with 10 people. Now it's with more than 30 people. There's a special Zoom call for kids. I'm really excited for that. And also the aprons would be coming to more people now. So I'm happy that I had a little more of aprons. If I would have had unlimited aprons, I would have given it to all of you. But I'm sure I'll be able to do that soon with another challenge when I make more aprons and more toolkits to give them out. So stay tuned for that. Thank you again for taking part in this challenge. Thank you Smeg India to actually sponsor the hand blender, which one person will be winning. Thank you so much for supporting always. And I'm just looking forward to making more content for you guys. So wait for my next video. The pandemic is still going on, so please stay safe, guys. Don't roam outside for unnecessary reasons. Take care of yourself, be strong, build your immunity, stay healthy, eat healthy, cook awesome food at home, help people around you, be kind to others, spread smiles, and take care of yourself. Never kill your stupid ideas, guys. Do what you can to build your career, build your future. Keep inspiring and stay food blessed, guys. Love you. Take care. And thank you so much, guys, and congratulations to all of you for 1 million subscribers on YouTube. Yes. Take care.